This is probably our best form of communication right now.
Okay, Tom is at the doctor for some allergy work right now, but he is available after he gets out to give you a breakaway so you can breathe, get a bite to eat or something like that. So if you're available, you'll be fresh.
That sounds perfectly good to me.
Thank you. Back to net.
All right, this is AI4QR, acting net control for the Madison County Emergency Net. We're taking reports of storm damage at this time. Any station with a report can come now.
They are blocking emergency traffic.
I'm sorry to hear that, but I'm not surprised. Josh, did you copy that?
Can you give me that report again a little slower? I can get it relayed.
Up here at Buckhorn, someone needs to report the main on the dock. There's just people lining the road, working around, and it's blocking emergency traffic.
Roger that, copy. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you for the report. This is AI4QR, acting net control for Madison County Emergency Net. We're accepting damage reports at this time, and reports of anyone in need after the recent storms pass through. Please come now. SDI, go ahead. You're very scratchy.
KI4 SGI. My wife has told me that she has reported that all the County Line Road, west of Coretta did last year, appears to have been turning people around on Wall Triana at Yarborough, and houses that we know were just rebuilt have damage to them, major damage in that same area again on County Line Road.
Okay, I only copied part of that. What I did copy is that they're turning people around on Wall Triana, and there's major damage to some houses at Wall Triana and Yarborough in the same area that was hit last year. Is there any other fills that I should have out of that?
That is correct. That is correct. Good read. KI4 SGI. Global.
KI4 SGI, thank you. For HMC, I assume you're copying this as we go here.
That is affirmative. If I need to fill, I'll let you know.
All right, very good. This is AI4QR requesting damage reports.
N4HSV. KG4HLZ.
HLZ, go ahead.
Yeah, I just letting you know I'm running the debris field, parallel to the debris field here to check it out, and it looks like this thing took the exact path of the EF5 we had last year.
All right, thank you for that.
KBO.
KBO, go.
I don't have the exact grid coordinates, but I can tell you that the end of the path is on top of Lewis Mountain. That was the last debris that I found when following the path.
All right, thank you. That's useful information. This is AI4QR acting net control for the Madison County Emergency Net. At this time, we're taking damage reports and debris reports from the storms that just passed through this area. If you have reports, please come now.
KJ4 GCH.
Go ahead.
On Jeff Road, just north of Buckhorn High School, a tractor trailer truck turned over, blocking the northbound lane of Jeff Road.
This is HMC. It was on a damage report I didn't copy.
Lane of Jeff Road is blocked north of Buckhorn High School. Thank you.
This is W4HMC. I did not copy that report. My phone rang. Can you repeat?
I can fill. There's There's a report that on Jeff Road, north of Buckhorn High School, there's an overturned tractor trailer blocking the northbound lane of Jeff Road.
Roger that. Can you tell if there were any hazardous material markings or anything on it?
Station, go ahead.
The county police are
Again, please.
KJ4GCH, county police are there. There's no hazardous materials.
All right, thank you for that report.
HMC copy, thank you.
Yeah, 4 STI, net control.
This is net control, go ahead.
We have power outage, light outage at Sparkman High School. Sparkman High School, there's no power. There's heavy traffic congestion in that area due to lightning.
All right, copy. Power out at Sparkman High School, no power to the traffic signal, and heavy traffic in that area being backed up.
QSL, KI4SGI mobile.
This is AI4QR acting net control for the Madison County Emergency Network, taking reports of storm damage after the tornadoes just passed through. Any station with damage to report, please call now. I didn't catch your call sign, but go ahead. You're a little scratchy. Nothing heard. This is AI4QR acting net control for the Madison County Emergency Net. We're now taking damage reports.
KI4SGI, net control.
Go ahead, please.
At the end of Yarborough, this is church actually, last time. On the road that and again, directing traffic around the church. I'm sorry, I don't know the name, but if you follow Yarborough to the end to, I believe it's Harvest Road or Alt Harvest Road, there's major damage in that area. I believe it's Ford Chapel's area.
Okay, that was scratchy. Let me read it back to you and see if I got it. At the end of Yarborough Road, there's a large church, and there's major damage, and they're routing traffic around that area. That's what I got.
That is correct. It is at Ford Chapel in Yarborough. There is power lines in the road, and they are rerouting around. Correct. Ford Chapel and Yarborough between Yarborough and Sparkman High School. KI4SGI.
All right, I copied that at Ford's Chapel in Yarborough. Josh, did you copy that?
I got part of that. Ford Chapel and Yarborough with power lines. Was there anything else about that?
Yeah, there's apparently damage to a church, and they're routing traffic around it. Station calling, you're just barely pulling the repeater in. I couldn't understand.